Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Bismillahir Rahman ar-Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Repeat after me. Bismillah, Bismillah, ar-Rahman, ar-Rahman, ar-Rahim, ar-Rahim. Let's put everything together. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Children, come with me and let's recite a poem. And to help us recite a poem, we will invite Aziz uncle who will recite the poem and help you memorize the letters poem.
Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Next 12 letters are from the tongue tip. Tha, 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 ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From the middle are ja, sha, ya. From the edges are da, ka, qa. 6 from the throat. A, ha, a, ha, gha, kha.
Now, let's be friends with 3 more letters, inshallah. The first letter for today is Z. Z loves bananas. And in Arabic language, banana means mouse. Z loves to eat mouse. So it is like mouse. Look at it. Yeah. Now, Z dresses himself like a mouse. He becomes so excited that he moves extremely fast. Bzzz. Exactly like a buzzing bee. Bzzz, bzzz, bzzz. So this is letter Z. Now, let me show you how to write Z. It is simple and lot of fun. Let me grab my marker board and my marker. So watch me how I write. I start, wow, and then place a dot. That is my Z. Let me show you again. I write my Z and I place a dot. Very good. Now it's your turn, children. Why don't you take a pen and paper and practice with me how to write Z. So let us begin. Write the Z. Is everybody writing? Fantastic. Now place a dot, and that's how you're gonna write Z. Well, there's one more thing that we can do without a marker and a board, or without a pen and a paper. What is that? You have the air. Imagine that you're bored, and take your finger as a pen or a pencil or a marker, and then write that in the air. And start from the top, come to the bottom, and put the dot. Wow! So imagine that you want to erase it and write it again. Yes, and then write again. Exactly. Excellent. Now, let me talk to you about the pronunciation of Z. You know, children, it is very simple to say Z, but if we close our lips, can we say Z? You can't. You have to open your lips, but you have to close your teeth. How? This is what you're going to do. Take the upper and the lower teeth, put them together. Put them together, close them tightly. Zzz. Zzz. That's exactly how we will pronounce Z. Can you do it one more time? Everybody, cheese. Very good. So say Z. I can't hear you. Excellent. That's much better. Z. Fantastic. Now, I'm standing here. You don't see my full body, but you still recognize me. You know me. Sometimes Z also can come with face only. Only the face. It is only a line with a dot. When Z is playing with friends, it holds his friend's right hand. So it has a small line and then you have the Z. Now, let's take another letter now, which is the letter S. Children, do you know, S looks like a snake and it runs and goes in a zigzag way. No, it's not coming towards you. Don't be scared. That is S. It is very naughty. Yeah, that is the snake. Wow. Are you scared of snakes? Well, don't be scared of snakes. Have you ever seen a snake? Hey, have you ever seen a snake? Seen and seen. Well, the shape of snake looks like the letter seen. Wow! I'm so excited to teach you the letter seen and some very nice examples. Can you think of saying S without using your lips? I don't think so. No, it's extremely hard. So you have to say S. S. Now let me show you how to write seen. It's simple and a lot of fun. I take my marker board again and my marker and try to show you how we can write seen. Wow! Wonderful. Watch me again. I write it with from the right hand side and I try all the way there. So I start from the right. I take and write a small U and another U and a big U. That becomes S. S. Well, it's your turn. Why don't you try on your own? Grab a pen and a paper and write with me. Everybody ready? I give you 1, 2, and 3. Let's begin. Start from the right. Do not make a complete circle. And then keep going like that, like a small curve. And then you come down all the way. Yeah. And then go all the way up. Excellent. Perfect. Now, you can use the air as well to write S. Imagine the air like a board and your finger as a marker or a pencil. Now write that and finish. You want to erase it? And then what you can do is rewrite to practice and imagine. Well, let me now talk to you about what happens when you see my full body. You do not see my full body because I'm standing here, but you can only see half of my body or you can see only my face. Sometimes seen also can come with his face, but at other times it only comes with part. How? You can see that the S or the seen comes and holds his friends with his right hand or left hand. For instance, he loves to play with his friends. He holds his right hand or he holds his left hand, and then you can recognize its face. As long as you can recognize the face, you can easily make out that that is sir. Very good, children. Now, let me tell you a very good story about Seen or Sir, who had a brother who eats lots of French fries, chicken, cakes, and loves to drink Pepsi, 7-Up, Sprite, and all the other fizzy drinks that has the gas in it. Hence, he has a thick belly. Children, if you want to stay healthy, then stay away from all those things that make you very chubby and fat, like slaw, and try to become like sir. Well, don't be scared. We will tell you how to pronounce slaw. So, can you see anything that looks like slaw around you? Can you make the shape of slaw with your hand? Well, let me show you how to write slaw. It's simple and a lot of fun once again. So, let me grab my marker board. Here's my marker board. And here's my pen. And I start writing. Once again, I will erase that and then I write it. Wow, wonderful. Well, children, it's your turn. Why don't you try to write it? But let me show you, because I know you may have a hard time. So let me take my marker board again and show you how to write it. I take the shape of slaw. It has a fat belly and it also sounds very thick. Slaw, slaw. Can everybody say it? Slaw. Very good, lovely, very nice, excellent. You can also imagine writing in air and try to do writing with your finger in the air. Slaw. Excellent. Let me tell you now the pronunciation of slaw. It's not sa but slaw. So imagine that you take an air pump and try to fill air in your tongue, and imagine like this. When you fill air in your tongue, it starts to become bigger and bigger. Slaw. Wow, that's wonderful. That's how you pronounce slaw. Remember, if we take a pin and try to take the air out of slaw, slaw, all the air has gone and it has become sa. Again, let's pump air into the sa and see what happens. Slaw. Very good. And then let's continue to talk about the different shapes and the faces of slaw. I'm standing. You do not see my full body, but still you can recognize me. Therefore, sometimes slaw can also come with its face, or when he's playing with his friends, he likes to hold his right hand or left hand or both hands. So don't be scared, just look at its face and you can recognize where slaw is. أشهد أن محمد رسول الله. Wow, that was the 5th part of the adhan. I'm sure that you would be interested to learn how to make adhan that is being called in Mecca. And wouldn't you be more interested to know what it means? So kids, come along and learn Arabic with actions. Today, we're going to take a new word, and its word has a lot of meaning, and it is ربه, his Rabb. ربهم, their Rabb. Listen carefully. ربه, his Rabb. ربهم, their Rabb. Again, ربه, his Rabb. ربهم, their Rabb. Listen to me again for the last time before it's your turn to repeat. ربه, his Rabb. ربهم, their Rabb. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me only in Arabic. ربه, ربهم. Excellent. Again. ربه, ربهم. Again. ربه, ربهم. Now repeat with me as we say along. ربه, ربهم. ربه, ربهم. For the last time. ربه, ربهم. Excellent. Beautiful job. Let's play a game with Zeb. He wants to play hide and seek. So let's go find him. We can see here that we have a word, and let me see. Where can Zeb be? Who can tell me? Do you think it is right there? I can see it right there. Can all of you see it? Z. Excellent. Wow. Let's play a game now with Sir. He wants to play hide and seek. He thinks that he can go and hide from us? No, no, no. We'll definitely find him because we know how he looks. We have this word. He's right there. I'm so proud of you guys. Excellent job. Well, how about this word? Oh, he's in the middle. Can everybody see him? Yeah. Very good. What about this word? Are you kidding me? He's at the end. Fantastic, children. Well, let's play a game with Saad now. He wants to play hide and seek. Where is he? Let's think. Oh, it's right in the middle there. Wonderful, children. Where is my saw? I want my saw. Oh, wow. It's right there. Can everybody see it? After alif and lam, immediately after that, we can see saw. Very good. How about in this word? Well, I leave that to you to recognize and to tell me. Can everybody tell me where saw is in this word? Don't expect me that I'll tell you, but I'm sure that you just found where saw is. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time, and I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.